So yeah, this feels pretty relatively easy. The blood! The blood! Okay.
Meet you at the bottom.
Deal. Who's that? I don't know. We gotta go fast. Fast. 1 sec, I'm coming.
Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Open up your hate and the never want to make. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness.
Oh, you know what you could do? You could watch me do cool tricks. Nay. See that rope right there? It was dark and you went up that and it like totally cut off his neck. Jeez, it's terrible. Yeah. Yeah, totally cut off his neck. Is he still alive?
Yeah, of course he's alive. It's just a big gap.